Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to display text on a LCD using Arduino Uno. So let's get started with introduction. So in this video, we will learn how to control LCD using Arduino Uno. So what is LCD? LCD stands for a liquid crystal display. It is the electronic display that used to liquid crystal to produce visible images. It widely used in a various applications due to its efficiency and low power consumption. So let's go over the components we needed for this project. First we use a breadboard for a temporary circuit designing. Then we use Arduino Uno. Third we use some jumper wires that connect our circuit. Fourth we use a potentiometer. Then we use LCD display. In last we use a USB cable that connect our circuit with the PC. So first we insert the LCD into the breadboard. Then we connect the pin number 1 with the breadboard by using black jumper wire. Soon we will connect the pin with the ground. Then we connect the second pin with the green jumper wire. Now we insert the potentiometer into the breadboard. Now we connect the pin number 3 with the middle pin of potentiometer by using brown jumper wire. Now we connect the another pin of potentiometer with the breadboard by using black jumper wire, and third pin by using green jumper wire. Now we connect the pin number 4 of LCD with the pin number 12 in Arduino Uno. Then we connect the pin number 6, pin number 11 by using yellow jumper wire. Then we connect the pin number 5 with the breadboard by using black jumper wire. Then we connect the pin number 16 by using black jumper wire, and pin number 15 by using green jumper wire. Now we connect the pin number 14 by using red jumper wire, 13 with the yellow jumper wire, 12 with blue jumper wire, and 11 with green jumper wire. Now we connect the pin number 14, 13, 12, 11 with pin number 2, 3, 4, 5 respectively. In last, we connect the all green wires with 5 volt by using red jumper wire and all black wires with ground by using black jumper wire. Now we connect the circuit with a PC by using USB cable. Now we open Arduino IDE and start writing the code. So first we include the liquid crystal header file into the IDE. Then we initialize the Arduino pins that connect to the LCD. After this, we create a setup function in which we initialize the LCD columns and rows. Then we print the hello message on the first line of LCD. After this, we create a loop function. So first we set the cursor to the beginning of the second line. Then we print the Arduino LCD on the second line of LCD. After this, we pause the program for a 500 milliseconds. Then we scroll the entire display to the left by 1 character position. After completing the whole code, we upload the code. And there you have it. You have successfully displayed the text on LCD using Arduino Uno. So if you like this tutorial, give it thumbs up, subscribe our channel for more tutorials. Till then, thanks for watching.